Welcome to Technology and Livelihood Education. Matatag Curriculum. Technology and Livelihood Education for Grade 7, Quarter 1, Week 1. Our topic is Emerging Trends in ICT. The content standard for this lesson is to demonstrate an understanding of current trends and emerging issues in ICT. The learning competency is to discuss the emerging trends and issues in ICT. The emerging trends in ICT. New technologies that offer creative solutions to everyday issues and commercial concerns appear every year. While some of these endure, others fade into obscurity, making way for fresh innovations in technology and new businesses to enter the race. It can be difficult to know which emerging tech is worth the investment and which you should pass over. This list will give you a better understanding of technology trends that will last into the next generation. Current ICT trends are pivotal for driving economic growth, improving quality of life, and addressing global challenges through innovation and connectivity. Embracing these trends strategically can empower businesses and societies to thrive in an increasingly digital and interconnected world. The rapid pace of technological change offers numerous benefits, including increased efficiency, improved quality of life, and new opportunities for innovation. However, it also brings challenges such as job displacement, privacy concerns, and the need for continuous learning and adaptation. Balancing these benefits and challenges is crucial for maximizing the positive impact of technology on society. Several key trends are shaping the landscape of information and communication technology ICT. First is the artificial intelligence or AI, next is the Internet of Things, the machine learning, the 5G networks, the edge computing, the blockchain and the spatial computing. Another emerging trend in ICT is the smart spaces, which include smart homes, smart cities, smart offices, smart healthcare facilities. Also, the 3D printing and additive manufacturing, and the robotics and automation. One of the emerging trends in ICT is the artificial intelligence or AI. It refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn like humans. It encompasses a broad range of techniques and approaches aimed at enabling computers to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the science of making machines that can think like humans. It can do things that are considered smart. AI technology can process large amounts of data in ways unlike humans. The goal for AI is to be able to do things such as recognize patterns, make decisions, and judge like humans. To do this, we need lots of data incorporated into them.
Hey Siri,
Uh-huh.
what is artificial intelligence or AI?
Artificial intelligence, AI, the ability of a digital computer or computer-controlled robot to perform tasks commonly associated with intelligent beings.
This is one example of AI. This is called virtual assistants. Siri is the assistant of Apple.
Another example of AI is the image and speech recognition. AI-powered systems can recognize and interpret images and speech. For instance, Facebook uses AI to automatically tag people in photos, and Google Photos can categorize images based on their content. Speech recognition systems like those used in virtual assistants or dictation software also rely on AI to convert spoken language into text. Can you give an example of AI that we use in our daily lives? The following are the artificial intelligence that we used in our daily lives. The visual assistant, Apple Siri, Amazon Alexa, photo or voice recognition, Facebook auto tagging, navigation app, Waze or Google Map. Ride-sharing app, Grab or Ankas, food ordering app, Food Panda, Grab Food, self-driving cars, robot vacuums, facial recognition technology, cell phone passwords or biometrics. The online banking and e-payments, Gcash, PayMaya, smart homes, Amazon Alexa or Bixby, audio-to-text converters, manufacturing robots, healthcare management system, spam filters and fraud detection, e-commerce platforms, gesture-acknowledging devices, scan-to-search app and many more. Another trend in ICT is the Internet of Things. The term IoT, or Internet of Things, refers to the collective network of connected devices and the technology that facilitates communication between devices and the cloud, as well as between the devices themselves. The Internet of Things refers to a network of physical devices, often everyday objects, that are embedded with sensors, software, and other technologies to connect and exchange data with other devices and systems over the Internet. These devices can range from simple household appliances and wearable devices to complex industrial machinery and vehicles. Here are some examples of Internet of Things. Next is the machine learning, or ML, is a subset of artificial intelligence or AI that focuses on developing algorithms and statistical models that enable computers to learn from and make decisions or predictions based on data. The core idea behind machine learning is to enable computers to learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed for every task. Machine learning. In common usage, the terms machine learning and artificial intelligence are often used interchangeably with one another due to the prevalence of machine learning for AI purposes in the world today. But, the two terms are meaningfully distinct. While AI refers to the general attempt to create machines capable of human-like cognitive abilities, machine learning specifically refers to the use of algorithms and data sets to do so. Example of machine learning. First is the facial recognition. Facial recognition is one of the more obvious applications of machine learning. People previously received name suggestions for their mobile photos and Facebook tagging, but now someone is immediately tagged and verified by comparing and analyzing patterns through facial contours. Next is the product recommendations. Do you wonder how Amazon or other retailers frequently know what you might like to purchase? Or, have they gotten it wildly wrong and you wonder how they came up with the recommendation? Think machine learning. Targeted marketing with retail uses machine learning to group customers based on buying habits or demographic similarities, and by extrapolating what one person may want from someone else's purchases. Another example is the email automation and spam filtering. While your inbox seems relatively boring, machine learning influences its function behind the scenes. Email automation is a direct result of successful machine learning, and one function that goes most unnoticed is spam filtering. Successful spam filtering adapts and finds patterns in email content that is undesirable. Another emerging trend in ICT is the 5G networks. 5G, short for fifth-generation cellular network technology, represents the latest evolution in mobile telecommunications standards beyond the previous generations of 4G LTE, long-term evolution, and older technologies like 3G and 2G. The features of 5G technology unlock new innovations across many different industries. It is faster and more efficient communication in factories and between people. It has increased device density, enabling a massive number of connected devices in a given area, which is essential for the increasing number of connected devices in smart cities and industrial applications. The following are the benefits of 5G network. First, in transportation. Enabling vehicle-to-everything communications and autonomous vehicles, as well as adaptive traffic lights, advanced public transit and faster emergency response. Next is the smart cities. With its massive capacity, 5G is enabling a range of smart city application from smart city street lighting to emergency management, smart buildings, waste management, digital signage and green energy. Benefits of 5G in agriculture. With 5G technology, IoT sensors on plants, in soils and irrigation systems, as well as in drones and autonomous tractors can gather valuable data to optimize fertilizer, water, and pesticide applications and have a massive impact on advancing precision agriculture systems. In healthcare, is seeing a wide range of emerging applications such as remote patient monitoring, with things like surgical robots, remote telehealth, and ambulance drones on the horizon. Benefits of 5G in manufacturing. 5G is a key enabler of large-scale machine-to-machine communications designed to reduce human error and increase production efficiency in manufacturing automation use cases. 5G speeds combined with edge computing are mission-critical in the realization of Industry 4.0. Another trend in ICT is the edge computing. Edge computing is an emerging computing paradigm which refers to a range of networks and devices at or near the user. Edge is about processing data closer to where it's being generated, enabling processing at greater speeds and volumes, leading to greater action-led results in real time. Next is the blockchain. A blockchain is a distributed, immutable, and decentralized ledger at its core that consists of a chain of blocks, and each block contains a set of data. The blocks are linked together using cryptographic techniques and form a chronological chain of information. As a result, you can use blockchain technology to create an unalterable or immutable ledger for tracking orders, payments, accounts, and other transactions. The system has built-in mechanisms that prevent unauthorized transaction entries and create consistency in the shared view of these transactions. Another trend is the spatial computing. It is a technology defined by computers blending data from the world around them in a natural way. Spatial computing in action could be as simple as controlling the lights when a person walks into a room, or as complex as using a network of 3D cameras to model a factory process. It encompasses concepts like virtual reality, VR, augmented reality, AR, mixed reality, and extended reality. Spatial computing allows for the creation of immersive gaming and entertainment experiences, as well as applications in various fields such as healthcare, education, manufacturing, and retail. Another emerging trend is the smart spaces, also known as connected places, are physical locations equipped with networked sensors to give owners, occupants, and managers more and better information about the condition of those locations and how they're used. Locations for smart spaces can range from a building with networked temperature and motion sensors to a vehicle that constantly reports its location, performance, and maintenance needs. Smart homes. Smart homes integrate IoT devices and automation systems to enhance convenience, comfort, and energy efficiency. Examples include smart thermostats, like Nest, connected lighting systems, such as Philips Hue, smart security cameras, like Ring, and voice-controlled assistants, e.g., Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant. These devices can be controlled remotely via mobile apps and can automate tasks based on user preferences and environmental condition. Smart cities. Smart city initiatives aim to improve urban living through interconnected technologies and data-driven decision-making. Examples include smart transportation systems with real-time traffic monitoring and adaptive traffic lights, smart waste management using IoT sensors to optimize garbage collection, environmental monitoring for air and water quality, and smart parking systems that guide drivers to available parking spots. Smart offices. Smart offices leverage IoT technologies to optimize workspace utilization, improve productivity, and enhance employee well-being. This includes occupancy sensors for lighting and HVAC control, smart meeting rooms with integrated scheduling and video conferencing systems, and employee wellness applications that monitor air quality and adjust environmental conditions accordingly. Smart healthcare facilities integrate IoT devices and sensors to enhance patient care, operational efficiency, and safety. Examples include remote patient monitoring systems that track vital signs and send alerts to healthcare providers, asset tracking for medical equipment to reduce inventory loss, and predictive maintenance of medical devices to minimize downtime. Smart hospital rooms may also feature automated lighting and temperature control based on patient preferences and conditions. Another emerging trend in ICT is the 3D printing or additive manufacturing enables you to produce geometrically complex objects, shapes, and textures. It often uses less material than traditional manufacturing methods and allows the production of items that were simply not possible to produce economically with traditional manufacturing. 3D printing is a specific subset of additive manufacturing that refers to processes where material is selectively deposited or solidified under computer control. While additive manufacturing, AM, is a broader term that encompasses various technologies and processes used to create objects by adding material layer by layer. In summary, 3D printing is a specific method within the larger field of additive manufacturing, emphasizing its accessibility and versatility in creating objects layer by layer from various materials. And lastly, the robotics and automation. They are closely related fields within the realm of technology and engineering, focused on designing, creating, and implementing systems that can operate autonomously or semi-autonomously to perform tasks traditionally done by humans. Robotics focuses on designing and building physical machines, robots, while automation encompasses a broader range of technologies and strategies aimed at automating tasks and processes to improve efficiency and productivity across various industries. Robotics and automation are pivotal in transforming industries and improving overall efficiency, safety, and competitiveness in the global economy. Embracing these technologies responsibly can lead to sustainable growth and positive societal impacts. In summary, knowing emerging trends in ICT enables businesses, professionals, and society as a whole to leverage technological advancements for strategic growth, innovation, efficiency, and societal benefit. It facilitates informed decision-making and prepares stakeholders to navigate the digital transformation landscape effectively.
A time to remember. This is Maylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching.